Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the next part. As you can see by part one, which if you haven't seen already, I'll put a card in the top right hand corner. Yeah, it's muddy as hell in here, so we need to get this cover off so we can access the seatbelt. Same on the driver's side. So I'm going to be going through this with you guys. I'm hoping to just remove this section here to about here to be able to get this out, because if it just looks like it clips off over there. We're also going to be looking at removing the glove box, as that seems to have got a bit of mould in, and I've also got a pollen filter that I want to change to freshen everywhere up quite nicely. From the last episode, I've dried up the water down there. I'm going to give all the interior of the car a good clean. I'm going to hoover it all down. We've got a carpet cleaner, a little handheld one that we can go over and clean it all. So yeah, starting with this section, I believe it's just lifting up out of there, and then the case of lifting up each different section, and then unclipping that from there. And we should want to come out. So, but even with that, I'll just move you back over here so I can have a look. Even with that just being removed like that, we can gain access to the back of the seatbelt. Let's give it a little good clean. So we're going to do the same on the other side. So what I will do is put you down just there. I will head over to the driver's side. So opening both of the doors to be able to gain access to these parts. There's one. The rest should just follow. Like so. And then again, as simple as no. Either oh yes, you can definitely see where this one is a lot worse than the other side. As you can see, definitely a lot worse on this side. So glad that's over and done with. I can give that all a quick clean, along with hoovering all of the floor. As obviously said, I've dried all of that section up, and next is going to be the glove box. So bear with me 2 seconds and we will get to that. Glove boxes on these are quite easy. There is a 7mm there, a 7mm there, and if you can get in at it, a 7mm and that one out. I do, however, remember you also have to take this side panel off, but that was already broken on mine anyway. So I need to look again another one of them, but it's a problem for another day. Take the final 7mm out there, and the whole glove box comes out. What you do, however, have to be careful of is the wiring, which is very fiddly for very fat fingers. And as you can see, as simple as that. That's access to the pollen filter. You've also got your fuse box access just there. So I believe it's just a case of popping off each side, and then again, I can't get my fat fingers through. As you can see, that in itself isn't very nice.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Believe it or not, it was light a second ago. That sun over there has just been taken over by this very dark cloud, and it does look like it's going to obviously hammer it down. I didn't manage to do the outro yesterday as it got too dark by the time we'd finished, but as you can see, the carpet has been thoroughly cleaned multiple times. Obviously there's still a few little marks here and there from obviously me climbing in. We're going to get the pollen filter in, just so obviously I can get this sorted, I can get that blocked off. But this is going to be the outro to the video, as the next one is hopefully me installing everything on the car. As you can see, the seats, glove box, The rear seats are over there. This here, by the way, Rug Doctor, you can rent these. Everything did get thoroughly cleaned yesterday, so I'm gonna finish this video up here. The next video will be hopefully starting to rebuild the inside of the car. Try not to drag it out too much, but at the same time, a lot of work has gone into this, multiple days just to obviously sort out the inside of the car. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you stay with us on this journey. Once the inside is built back up and the mould has gone, we are going to head over to removing the front bumper. A lot of it needs swapping over from the old bumper, as you can see by the grills and the light units. So yeah, the next video should be rebuilding the interior of the car. Once the interior is built, we'll then look at actually repairing the damage that was the front end and stuff like that. So I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like all the videos. Thank you.